I'm so excited. We're going to be changing the rear bumper on this truck. It's going to make it look amazing. New bumper. It came with the hardware to mount the license plate, which was nice. Just 2. I got really close until I didn't. Getting there. Grind off the bolts to get that old bumper off, and then put the new one on. Looks pretty good. Sits just above the hitch. Now I gotta do the electrical. I gotta hook up the new lights. Gotta hook up the new lights to this thing. So, let's see what we're gonna do. Hey, I went to the salvage yard and I got myself some new, new to me, wiring harnesses. So I got the tailgate lights right here. The old ones wouldn't work at all, and so I decided that rather than trying to mess with this and get it to work, I plugged in my other one and this one worked. So I'm gonna go with that. I also got the tail lights with blinkers. I'm going to just redo this one. Gonna redo all the plastic on the loom there, and just clean it up. I already have some new stuff, so I'm just gonna go through, make my lens, and put it on here, and make it look nice and clean. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't have any issues. My bulb, my connectors, let's go black to black and brown to red. Let's see if that works. It does, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and do those. Just like that. I'm just going to tape up the end a little bit to keep them there, and that will be that. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to do the rest. It looks good and it's out of the way. So, there were little clips before that are still up there that I can use. So, I got some zip ties. I'm just going to start zip tying them. So here are the new hardware that I put on. So I got some washers, stainless, right there too. So this holds it to the bumper. This holds it to the frame. There's a little bit of adjustment. Some of these holes are oblong in shape, so you can adjust it around a little bit. Let's see. And some of the bolts were a little tight to get in, so there's one right there, and that is welded to the frame right there. This one, however, is not, and so I put a locking washer on there. Same thing over here. This one is welded onto the frame. This one is not. But yeah, I think it looks good. Reworked the wiring a little bit. Underneath there, I gotta fix the toe hookup, but it went really easy. Just 4 bolts on either side. Tied it on for a little bit now. Pretty close, but yeah, looks good.